welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Discord password. So for that, open the Discord application and here on the home page you tap on login. Now the first process is type in the email address or the phone number of your Discord account. Once you typed in the email address, you tap on forgot your password, which will begin the recovery process for your Discord. Discord has sent an instruction to change your password of the account. Please check both your inbox and spam folder. Tap on OK. Now you need to go and check out your mail. And there you can see on the top the Discord mail. Tap upon that. Tap on reset password. Now you will be able to provide a new password for the account. Type in the new password over here. Then tap on change password. This way you have successfully recovered the Discord account password. Tap on continue to Discord and you will be logged in into the account right away. Now here you type in the updated password. Tap on login. And with that you have been logged in into the account right away. So this is how you can recover the Discord account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.